Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDRAW tips, and in this video I will show you on how to simply bring out text character panel in CorelDRAW. Let me show you how. So sometimes when you come to your toolbar right here and then you have your type tool right here, but there is more to type tool that you need to understand as far as type tool is concerned in CorelDRAW. So I may select my type tool and I decide to come to the workspace right here and make a type. You can say type. Okay, now this particular text right here, I want to format it in different way. That is when you need to break out your text character panel and try to format whatever you want to format as far as your text tool is concerned in CorelDRAW. So what we want to do here to bring out our text character panel in CorelDRAW. So first thing first, we have to go to our move tool right here. Then click on our move tool. Next thing we want to do is to make sure we come to the top right here. So we have to make sure we navigate to Windows. So from Windows, go ahead and move to Dockers. Then from Dockers, go ahead and come to text right here. Or in some cases, you may decide to press Ctrl T. When you press Ctrl T on your keyboard, text character panel is going to pop up from the sidebar on your CorelDRAW workspace. So with that, you can see just like what you see right there. So text character panel is here live in our CorelDRAW. So here you can do anything with this particular text right here that you just type. You can increase the font size, you can change color, you can do a lot of things as far as text character panel right here is concerned. It involves a lot of features right here, and I'm going to go deeper about how best to use this text character panel in CorelDRAW. Don't really want to miss out about this particular series in CorelDRAW, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace out.